So far we've installed Python, Jupyter, Pandas, Clickhouse Data Warehouse. We can access the NFL data. Now we're going to take that NFL data and put it into our data warehouse. So it's the first step. The way we do that is we grab the data from NFL Data Py, save it as a CSV, import that CSV into Clickhouse, and then we'll make sure it works. So first thing is to get that data. There is no column. I looked at it. There's no column for year or season, so I'm going to create my own by saying for year in, we'll do from 2019 to 2023. 2020, all right. We'll say grab that data, years equals, put it in a list, year, reset, index, drop equals true. And for each year, we'll add that column for the season or the year. I'll just call it year equals year. And each data frame we'll put into a list of data frames. So df append df. All right, so that'll run, and then we need to concat or smush all of those individual years, play-by-play data frame years, into one big one. So we'll say df equals pd.concat dfs reset index drop equals true. All right, so this ought to merge all five. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of NFL data? So that is 244,000 rows. All right, so now we're going to save that to a CSV file. So to CSV, and we'll call it play-by-play CSV. And that is a large file, so it's going to take a second. While that is saving, I'll go ahead and start the process of taking that CSV file and importing it into a database. So the command for that I have right here. And I'll format a little bit, make it a little nicer, easier to read. So create table. So create table. We'll call it play-by-play engine merge tree order by as select, and the file is play-by-play.csv, CSV with names because it has a header file, which we can actually check here. Let's do head-1 ppp.csv. Yeah, so it has all of that. Let's see if we get the head and then the tail one, just get the first row here. That looks pretty good. All right. So now we'll take that file and create a table PBP from that file, PBP CSV. And actually that file needs to be, it needs to be in this directory to work. So user files. Before we do that, we need to move that file. So say, whoops. So we'll say move pbp.csv to that directory. All right, and that will take that CSV and create a table from it. And to ensure that it's actually working, we'll do a command. Let's see, show tables, because this is going to take a minute. And then, assuming that works, we'll do ch query df. All right, there's our table. Select star from PBP. We'll just grab 10 rows to make sure it works. Select star from. Sweet. All right, that works. We got the data from the NFL and we put it in our ClickHouse database.